Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to WeTransfer for delivering large video files, full guide step by step clearly. Navigate to the WeTransfer website by typing in www.wetransfer.com and pressing enter. Click on the Pro option to learn more about subscription features. Review the benefits of a WeTransfer Pro account, which typically include larger file sizes and extended storage time. You will be prompted to create an account, so enter your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password to secure your account. Confirm your password as required, then follow the prompts to enter your personal information. Provide your payment details to complete the subscription process. Carefully review your order summary before finalizing the payment. Once your payment is processed, you should receive a confirmation email indicating your successful subscription. Return to the WeTransfer website and log in using your newly created account credentials. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the features now available to you. To send a large video file, click on the Upload Files button and select your video file from your device. Once the upload is complete, enter the recipient's email address and your message if necessary. Click Transfer to send the file. Monitor your email for a confirmation that the transfer has been successfully sent. If needed, you can also explore additional features like storage management and transfer tracking within your account. Congratulations, you are now ready to use WeTransfer for all your large video file delivery needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.